your jewelry back to life with a free cleaning and inspection. We may even recommend professional polishing to make your jewelry look like you were done. While your jewelry is being pampered, this is the perfect time to browse our collections and fill out your wish list in a clean and safe shopping environment. Is there a special piece you've had your eyes on? Maybe diamond earrings or a special ring? A wish list is the perfect way to help your gift givers choose something you really love. We even offer a convenient layaway plan for up to 3 months. And if you don't want to wait for the holidays, we have the perfect solution. 0% financing for up to 6 months. Why wait when you can sparkle now? We also offer private in-store appointments, curbside pickup, local home delivery, and free shipping for online shopping for items over $100. Giving meaningful gifts is going to be even more important this year. So please visit our store and ask our staff to find you the perfect gift for that special someone. Until next time, Pura Vida!